Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. Today we will discuss about the two more topic related to the complex number, and that is modulus of the complex number and conjugate of a complex number. So first of all we discuss modulus of complex number. Modulus of complex numbers, and this is the fourth part of the video. In this video we will discuss modulus of the complex number. If we have any complex number z, that is a plus ib, then modulus of complex number is represented by mod z or modulus z, and modulus of z is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Okay, modulus of complex number z is equal to a plus ib is represented by mod z or modulus here z. Modulus z is equal to under root a square plus b square, and you know what is a? That is the real part of the complex number z, and what is b? Imaginary part of the complex number. For example, if we have z is equal to 3 plus 4i, then modulus of this complex number is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16 is equal to under root 25, and you know the modulus of z is always greater than or equal to 0, then its value will be plus minus 5, but here its value is always greater than or equal to 0, then it will be always in plus, means 5. Okay, similarly if we take any complex number z is equal to 3 minus under root 7, z is equal to 3 minus under root 7i, then modulus of z is equal to under root 3 square plus minus under root 7 whole square, because this can be written as 3 plus minus under root 7i, where this is the real part of the complex number z, and this is imaginary part of the complex number z. Minus, this is equal to minus under root 7, and this is 3, and its value will be 9 plus 7 under root 16 is going to be 4. In this way we can find the modulus of any complex number. Now we will discuss about the properties of modulus of a complex number. Modulus of a complex numbers. Okay, properties of modulus of complex numbers. The first property is, if z1 and z2 are two complex numbers, z1, z2 and z3 are three complex numbers, then we can say that here modulus of minus z1 is equal to modulus of z1. We can prove it also, just like if z1 is equal to a plus ib, and minus of z1 is what? Minus a minus ib, which can be written as minus a plus minus bi. Then modulus of z1 we know that is a square plus b square under root, and modulus of minus z1 is what? Again square of the real part, that is minus a whole square plus square of the imaginary part, which is equal to a square plus b square is equal to modulus z. Or at the place of z1 if we write z, then also the value will be same. Okay, it means here we can verify this. Modulus of minus z1 is equal to modulus of z. Now similarly we can verify that. The second thing, modulus of z will be 0 only if z is equal to 0. It means 0 is also the complex number. We can write it in the form of 0 plus I is 0. 0 can also be written in the form of the complex number. Then if we find modulus z, then it will be under root 0 square plus 0 square is equal to 0. And finally modulus of z is equal to 0. It means the value of the modulus of a complex number is 0. It is only possible when the complex number is 0. Okay. Similarly, if we have two complex numbers z1 and z2, then multiplication of these two complex numbers is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. And if we have z1 and z2 modulus, that is value will be modulus of z1 upon modulus of z2, and we can verify it also very simple. Okay, now if we have here z into z, two complex number, then it will be modulus z1 here modulus z. This can be written as like this way. It will be modulus z whole square. Okay, it means modulus of z is equal to modulus of z whole square. Getting? Similarly, it means we have, if z is equal to q, then it will be modulus of z q. We can also verify this value like the first one. Now we get this four concept: 1, 2, 3 and 4. The modulus of the multiplication of two complex number is equal to modulus of first complex number into modulus of second complex number. Similarly, we can also define this. Now let us see conjugate of the complex number. Conjugate. Conjugate of a complex number. Of a complex numbers. Conjugate of the complex number. Conjugate of the complex number. Conjugate of the complex number z is equal to a plus ib, where ab belongs to real number, is represented by z bar, like this. Z bar. Okay. So conjugate of complex number z is equal to a plus ib is are represented by z bar, and this z bar is equal to a minus ib. Okay, a minus ib. It means a plus ib, its conjugate, is equal to a minus ib. Then conjugate of conjugate number is equal to a, what is the conjugate of complex number? A minus ib, its conjugate, its value will be a plus ib. It means conjugate of any complex number, conjugate of complex number is equal to a plus ib, or we can write it like this. It means if we have any complex number a plus ib, then its conjugate number will be a minus ib. If we have z is equal to 2 plus 3i, then its conjugate is equal to 2 minus 3i. Okay. Again we have more example. If z1 is equal to 3 minus 4i, then conjugate of this z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i. In this way, we can find the conjugate of any complex number. Conjugate of complex number a plus ib will be a minus ib, and if we have any complex number a minus ib, then its conjugate number will be a plus ib. Only the sign of b will be changed. Okay. Now let us see its property. Property of conjugate of a complex number. The first one, if there is a complex number z and the conjugate will be conjugate of z, again its conjugate will be equal to z. Already verified. The second, if we have two complex numbers z1 and z2, then sum of the two conjugate number is equal to like this, plus z2 in this way. Okay. Similarly, the third one, z1 minus z2, its conjugate if you want, then it will be z1 minus z2. Getting? z1 plus z2, conjugate of z1 plus z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 plus conjugate of z2. Conjugate of z1 minus z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 minus conjugate of z2. We can write like this way. Again, the fourth one, if we have two complex numbers z1 and z2, the conjugate of the multiplication of two conjugate number is equal to conjugate of z1 into conjugate of z2. And what is z1 z2 is what? Complex. The fifth one, z1 z2, conjugate of z1 and z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 upon conjugate of z2 separately. But what is the condition? But z2 should not be equal to 0. Why? Because its denominator will be 0, then the total value will be 95. Similarly, the modulus of conjugate of complex number is equal to modulus of z. Why? here z is equal to a plus ib, then modulus of z is equal to under root a square plus b square, and conjugate of z is equal to a minus ib. This implies that modulus of z, conjugate of z, is equal to under root a square plus minus b whole square, it means b plus b square, which is equal to modulus of z. It means this one. Okay, this is the total theoretical portion given before exercise 5.1. Now we have to discuss about Argand plane. Just like we discussed in 10th class, 9th class, coordinate plane. Here in complex number, the plane which contain the complex number, that is called complex plane, are known as Argand plane, about which, and the exercise 5.2 is not mentioned in the syllabus of 2020-21 or class 11. After the introduction of Argand plane, we just discussed the polar representation of complex number. Thank you.